In the previous tutorial, we saw the primary functions of the dashboard. In this tutorial, we'll discuss more advanced options. Open the dashboard if you haven't done yet. In the menu bar at the top, you see a few options. We'll take a look at Sessions. A session is a collection of questions and responses that is shown in your dashboard at this moment. If your event lasts more than one day, it will be easier to use a unique session for each day. In the first tutorial, you saw that we already made 2 test questions. These are saved under Example. If you want to create a new session, you can choose Session, New. Fill out the name of the new session. Now you can create a new collection of questions like you're used to. Choose Sessions Open to return to any saved session. Select the old session Example. All the questions and responses of the session Example are visible again. It might be possible that you want to reuse an old question, but you want to delete the answers. Choose Sessions, Clear Results. You can choose to delete the results for this single question or for all the questions. Keep in mind that you will lose your results. With Sessions Export to Excel, you can export all your results to an Excel file. A file will be generated and can be saved on your computer. In Excel, you will see all your questions and answers. Every question will have its own tab. With Sessions Logout, you can leave the dashboard to switch to another computer, for example. Your dashboard will stay logged on for 2 days under normal circumstances if you don't log out. In Settings, there are 2 options for names: Ask Names and Show Names. With Ask Names, your participants will be asked to fill out their names before they start voting. If you don't use this option, the questions will be answered anonymously. With Show Names, the names will also be shown on the screen. In Settings, you can change the language of your dashboard. If you click Settings, Edit Output Screen, a new screen will be opened. We'll see more about this in the screen tutorial. You can save a lot of time while creating multiple choice questions by preparing the questions in another text editor, for example Notepad. If you use the order Question, Notes, Answer A, B, etc., it is possible to copy and paste the whole block at once with Ctrl-C or Copy and Ctrl-V or Paste. If you use Avint for ranking, it is possible to calculate the average rating immediately. Make sure that A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, and so on. For open questions, your mouse wheel has 2 functions. If the mouse cursor is above the responses, you can scroll through this area. If the mouse cursor is above the view buttons, you can scroll through the responses. You then only have to click Answer if you want to display the response. If you receive new responses from the audience, the bottom of the dashboard will glow shortly. This indicates new responses came in, even if they are out of sight. Now you have seen all the functions of the dashboard. In the next tutorial, we'll explain how to customize the screen and make your own design.